Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my new video. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well. I'm also doing pretty well and fantastic. Everything is alright by God's grace. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Chain Singh Maravi. I belong to Madhya Pradesh in India. And you are watching my video, my English speaking practice channel. Guys, if you are new in this video, so you can subscribe my video so that you can get notification whenever I upload my new video on my YouTube channel. Yeah, guys, you can get my video instantly, and you can watch my video and understand and suggest me how to speak English. I am speaking English. How to? Okay, yes, go ahead and comment. Okay, guys, if you want to speak English, if you want to learn this language, so in the starting time, many problem face, okay, like stucking, fumbling, nervous, your mind goes blank, like this problem in the starting time you face. Okay, so how to overcome this type of problem? So guys, I suggest you only you can practice is the key for success of in this language. If you can speak in this language, if you want to learn this language, so you can practice, you will be practice more and more time. Okay, yes. So guys, English is a very important language, very interesting language, and very easy language. English is not our mother tongue. English is a second language. Okay, Hindi is our mother tongue. Hindi is our native language and comfort in this language. Okay, in Hindi we are easily speak. Why? English is our, Hindi is our mother tongue. Hindi is our native language. That's why Hindi easily we can speak, but English is not speak. The reason is English is second language. Okay, not our mother tongue. But in this language, we can easily express our thought. We can easily uh, deliver our thought. Okay, only only practicing. So guys, you can go and speak English, practice English. Any language, speaking. But problem is, I have no partner. I have no English speaking English partner. I have no English environment. Okay, English environment doesn't matter. If you have English environment, so you can create artificial environment. English environment is very important. English environment is very important. But if you have no English environment, so you can find any speaking partner. Okay, if you have no speaking partner, so you have a mobile, smartphone mobile. Okay, so with the help of this mobile, you can improve your English. Yes, we should building power. Okay, yes. If you dedicate, if you deliberate, okay, so yeah, if you passionate, so you can easily speak this language. Yes, but problem is we are not starting in speaking. So the first condition is you can start speaking practice with anyone. Okay. Yes. Only solution is start speaking. Go ahead. Speak with anyone. Try to speak, guys. Think in English and speak in English. Describe anything in your words. Speak broken English. Mistakes doesn't matter. Mistakes doesn't matter. Okay. A small child in the starting time. Many type of mistakes, but gradually, bit by bit, child is fluent in speaking in their language. Okay, like this. You are practice. Go and practice. Talk with anyone. Okay, you can create artificial environment, atmosphere. Okay, so guys, you can comfort in this language. You can easily speak this language. Okay, improve your language by practicing. Describe any random topic. Ultimately, I would like to say there are four pillars of any language. Let's start up. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. Okay, the first thing is most important things. Listening. Listening is a most important things. If you are listen English content more and more time, so you can easily improve your English. Yes, guys. Listening is the very important things. Okay, you can listen English story. You can listen English podcast. You can watch English movie. Okay, and you can describe any picture in your language, so you can improve easily in English. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys, that's all. Bye bye, take care.